is back to me. So yeah, if you haven't already, like and subscribe and turn notifications on. Because I like to upload. So also subscribe to TNG Vlog channel. Subscribe to Triple Vlogs and Busmad John. Turn on post notifications for all of them. And you know, if you like this video, the like button will turn below. And the only way, if you want to get notified, is you subscribe. Jump a shop bar real quick. Then you have to go on all. Now go numbers, obviously, when I get my uploads. I think Noah and Thomas will be the first one to get this. Oh no. I may be Kelsey, but I don't know. I don't think she has those notifications on. Let's go. Let's play. No, it's not good. Right, let's try go to this channel. So, yeah, we're gonna do no. So, if you did like this video, like and subscribe, and post notifications on, and I'll see you next time.